When it comes to quality, professionalism, and creating business opportunities, leading player in the food manufacturing industry in the Philippines. In his expansive headquarters in Caloocan City, abides by his daily commitment to produce quality, safe, and affordable food items on their product line. Reshape the food industry landscape by providing affordable food products for its consumers, and was the first to offer quality siomai products that have the lowest prices in the market. The company now offers toll services to key accounts like supermarket chains. It has emerged even more powerful with a new fully automatic machines that propel production to new heights. Its commissary was designed and built by top professional contractors commissioned by market leaders in the food processing industry. Following all the guidelines of Good Manufacturing Practices or GMP, the company applies strict rules when it comes to employee hygiene and food handling. Right now, the company has been making food products that people from all walks of life enjoy. Dim sum and dumpling, siopaw, lumpiang Shanghai, noodles and canton. With its stellar business system, wide distribution channels, and long-term business affiliations already in place, has grown and expanded from what was once a simple business idea to a nationwide success with endless possibilities for growth and expansion.